What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Android. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So first thing to do is go to Settings. Now from the Settings app, scroll down, then click Home Screen. Scroll down and you will see this option that says Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Now tap on it. Right here, you will see all the apps that is available on your phone. Now, if you want to hide an app, for example, you want to hide this app, simply select the app and it will be moved into this section which says Hidden Apps. You can hide more apps by repeating the process. Once you're okay, hit Done. Then when you go back to your home screen, those apps are now hidden. Same way on the app screen, you won't be able to see those apps. Now to unhide those apps, go back to Settings, Home Screen, Hidden Apps. Then just tap the minus button beside the app and that will unhide those apps. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.